chorizo.
This is the weirdest thing we ever got.
That's chorizo plopping in that looks like runny dog poop.
Well, I mean, this is one of those TV dinners that that is assembly and additional pieces required. We already had to crack an egg on this plastic thing. Don't ask how we did that. Not recommend it.
We better whisk again.
I know, but I didn't read the directions on it.
Now we gotta whisk it again.
I did not read the directions on.
I'm beating her to the punch. I know I had to whisk that in there. I'm sure.
You know the next part of the directions say.
Now that was that. Hold on. Okay, now crack the egg with empty potato, chorizo powder, half the chips, and half the salsa. Okay, half of these are gonna go in there. And I should have got up earlier for this one. Okay, here comes half of it. Here, half of it. Okay. Okay, it kind of looks half to me. Okay, now.
And
there's half.
This is why I don't make videos early in the morning.
Now here comes the salsa in a pouch, no less, in Texas. That's crazy.
This is wrong. I made a mistake.
She's obviously not from Texas, so we don't do pouches for hot sauce.
No, we do glass jars or fresh.
Well, I'm gonna lose my place on my directions here.
Oh shit.
And half the salsa powder in the bowl, stir into oil pan. I knew I'd have to do that. And place it in the microwave, cook on high for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm almost ready to cook it. I'm not there yet. But
I don't think you're going to completely cook it. I think you're just going to part-ass cook it.
2 minutes. Oh, that's kind of weird salsa. Okay. She better not have no funky sweet salsa being from Alabama or something.
If she does, we have to call her out on that shit. It's already bad enough, but we already have to...
We're wasting 3 minutes already. Okay, this goes in...
Don't worry, I got a timer.
Goes in for 2 minutes.
Something tells me that I should have gotten something from Jimmy Dean's. I think we should have gotten Jimmy Dean's instead.
She doesn't look very Texan.
Oh, no.
But, you know.
I'm going to say she's 1 piercing and 2 tattoos away from social justice warrior right there.
Okay.
Especially with the friggin' chorizo she had. Oh, God.
Oh, what did I do with the cheese? They didn't tell me to do anything with the cheese yet.
Oh, shit.
They didn't tell us to do anything.
No, it's right there. It's right there.
No, what did they do with it? Tell us to do with it yet. Then after the 2 minutes, let me find my 2-minute marker. Oh, damn it! I was supposed to put 2 eggs, Stephen, not 1.
Well, we'll add another egg.
I'm good. No wonder it was like...
Oh, great. This is one of those substitution recipes.
Damn it. It needs 2 eggs. Let me have this back out. You know what? It's going to go with 1. I don't know.
I guess that'll be yours then, I guess.
It's mine. But it's supposed to be 2 eggs.
I'm going to do something.
That 2 in front of the eggs. Don't come out and tell me multiple the first time I read you.
You know, Jimmy Dean's has easy redirections where that type of shit doesn't happen.
Pop it in the thing when you're done.
Yeah. It might not be the greatest thing, but at least you can cook it in 2 minutes or less.
I won't have as much cholesterol problem.
Oh. As if you have that problem.
I don't have that. I don't have that to worry about.
Of course you don't.
Oh, God.
We have rice and egg rolls still in the freeze.
Thank goodness. It might be a fallback. Who knows?
I don't think we'll have enough time.
I don't.
Oh,
God, it's almost ready. We're probably just basically warming everything up and cooking the damn egg. I mean,
probably.
What's in the overcook?
Let's see.
Alright, guys.
Man, okay, this is the directions right here, okay?
Can I say something?
This is stupid.
It smells like dog stuff.
Oh, it smells like dog shit. Is that what you're saying?
Dog food. Dog food. Dog food.
That's even worse than Jimmy Dean's. And we had to use a fresh egg.
You're the one who spotted it.
Hey, I thought it would be okay.
You were too tired to mess with it. We were too tired last night before with making any conscious Texas decisions.
Well, yeah, that's a good phrase. Not conscious enough to make... What the hell?
Well, you know, told you I'd overcook my egg.
No shit.
Okay, let's just get the damn cheese on there and call it good. I don't want any more chips on there. You can have the chips and the salsa, obviously.
No thanks. I'll cook something else for breakfast.
Chicken.
Oh shit, we forgot. Wait, we have to add the chicken too?
Here we go. We added the cheese. I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna.
How's it taste?
That's my egg.
I bet the rest.
Personally, people are stupid.
Personally, I can't smell it. Thank goodness I can't. I had a little whiff of it, apparently.
The stupid part is, to have flavor does not mean you spice the hell out of it to burn your mouth down to your throat.
Oh God, it's one of those. Hey, it's not sweet at least. She got that part right. Scale 1 to 10, how bad is it? Oh God. Nope, she didn't. This is not how you make chorizo.
My
no.
egg is good.
Of course the egg's good. You better use your own damn eggs.
An egg, my egg.
You can't go wrong with that, but my God, she does not know chorizo. No, that's not how you do it.
I am. Woo.
I didn't realize we got extra spicy.
That's not how you do picante or anything. It's not how hot.
She does not know cooking.
That's not how you do this.
She might know the.
I'm sure she went off the air anyway.
Oh really?
Maybe not. Maybe that's just a waste of an egg. But
I could live with it. Chances are we could probably just give it as a white elephant gift. That's what we do.
oh, you want breakfast here?
No. Cook me something else. I gotta take care of something real quick.
There is our.
That's lunch. That's actually probably gonna be the good thing.
Let's wait and see which one.
It doesn't have any directions in it, damn it. Don't tell me it has directions in it. Good. It's dip.
It's from California.
That's a gamble. They have a lot of Mexicans over there, so we should be okay.
They are sweet. They don't know. They don't know.
I'm gonna give Gerbs Land credit.
Cheese can't be all that.
I am gonna give Gerbs Land credit that they might know a spice or two. Not like ours, duh, but I'm willing to give it a chance. Definitely better than this. You know, I think I know what's missing from this damn thing. The actual chorizo meat. Alright, I'm gonna try one more damn bite of this damn thing.
Go right ahead. Get you some water ready. I'll let it straight up hot thing.
Yeah, pretty much. I need my coffee. And this is what we do every damn morning, basically. You get ready for lunch. I have my cup of coffee. And we figure out what the hell we bought from last night. By the way, this is the Christmas tree. These are the gifts. And this thing, we got from a friend. One of Dad's friends. Because she can no longer deep fry food. That's your lunch. Yeah, that's your dairy.
No dairy.
Oh well.
No chips. Chips go in.
You know, I'm gonna go ahead and get some.
Get right.
Yeah.